Okay guys, right now let's look at some of the questions that we face in the exam. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Let's say I have 5 cubed multiply 5 divided by 5 to the power of 4. So remember, multiply, okay, from the law of indices is plus, okay, and divide is basically a minus. So the answer will be 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 minus 4, 4. That will be the answer for the first question. Easy. Okay, and let's look at the second question. Okay, this second question might seem difficult, but it will be the same method of solving. So 3 to the power of 2 over 3 multiply is basically plus 5 over 3, and I just remain this first. I try to solve the first two terms first, and I will get 3 to the power of 7 over 3, and divide by 3 to the power of 1 over 3, and divide is basically minus. So 7 over 3 minus 1 over 3, and my answer will be 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3, which is simplified into 3 to the power of 2. Done for the second question. And right now, let's look at this third question. Okay, for the third question, it might seem difficult because you see the base aren't the same. You have 3, you have 9, and you have 3, you have 9, and you have 81. But you do realize that this 9 and 81, they are sharing the same base. 9 is basically 3 squared, and 81 you can reduce it into 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so this I can reduce into 3 to the power of 4, and this I can reduce into 3 squared. So what do I need to do? First step, okay, I just rewrite the first term, but I reduce this 9 into 3 to the power of 2 and 3 over 2, and multiply by 81, I can rewrite it as 3 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 over 4. Okay, and what you need to do now, okay, so remember this rule that we mentioned earlier. Let's say I have a b to the power of n, a to the power of b multiply n, I can write it as a b multiply n. Okay, so this step, okay, I just need to open the bracket and use the power multiply by the power together, and I will form this equation. Okay, so as you can see, 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, 2 and 2 can cut off, 4 multiplied by 3 over 4, 4 and 4 can cut off, and my final answer will be 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3, or which I can write as 3, 4 minus 3 plus 3, which is 1 plus 3, which is 1 plus 3, which is 3 to the power of 4. Done. Okay, that's it for this question. Okay, and the next question I have, okay, it looks something like this. Okay, you actually need to use the same rule in order for you to solve this question. Okay, so 5 2 divided by 25, can I write it as 5 to the power of 2 and bracket 2 again, and the whole thing to the power of negative 2. So I try to reduce the term inside the bracket first. Okay, by using the same rule, I can write it as 5 2 multiplied by 2 and to the power of negative 2, and which is 5 squared divided by 5 to the power of 4 to the power of negative 2. And after that, you can use the law of indices, 2 minus 4 to the power of negative 2, which is 5 negative 2 and negative 2. And finally, I can write it as 5 negative 2 multiplied by negative 2, which you will get a 5 to the power of 4. This will be your final answer. Okay, it's not that difficult. And finally, okay, this is a 50. So 50 to the power of 4 divided by 4 divided by 5 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 4 again. So as you can see, 3 of the term, right, is having a different base, but I can reduce this 50 into 25 multiply 2, and 25 is basically a 5 squared. So this is how we solve this question. Okay, so let's do it here. Okay, 50, I can write it as 25 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 divided by 5 4 and divided by 2 4. Okay, and 25, I can further reduce it into 5 squared multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 divided by 5 4 divided by 2 4. Okay, and using the rule, I can say that, okay, this 4, you need to multiply here. You will need to multiply to the power of 2 as well. Sorry, to the number of 2 as well. So I will get 5 2 multiply 4 times with 2 to the power of 4. Okay, and divide by 5 to the power of 4 divide by 2 to the power of 4. And hence you will get 4 times 2, you will get 5 8 multiply 2 4 divide by 5 4 divide by 2 4. Okay, and finally you just rearrange the equation, make the same base being together. Okay, 5 8 divided by 5 4 multiply by 2 4 divide by 2 4. And this I will get 5 8 minus 4 and multiply by 2 4 minus 4. And here I will get 5 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 0 is basically equivalent to 1. So my final answer will be 5 to the power of 4. There you go. Okay, this is it for this type of question, solving simple indices together. Okay, now we'll be learning about simplifying complex indices equation. Okay, let's look at the first question. 25 to the power of n minus 1. 25 can I write it as 5 to the power of 2 n to the power of n minus 1 and multiply by 5 to the power of 2n plus 2, and this is basically telling you a divide, and 1 to 5 is basically 5 to the power of 3 to the power of n. And by using the rule, I can say that 5 to, okay, you need to multiply with n, okay, and you need to multiply with negative 1 as well. So I will get 5 2n minus 2 multiplied by 5 2n plus 2 divide by 5 to the power of 3n. Okay, let's look at the n term all together. Okay, n term is 5 to the power of 2n, multiply is a plus 2n, divide is a minus 3n, and minus 2 multiply is a plus 2, and here you got no number, so basically that's it. And you get 2n plus 2n, 4n minus 3n, 5 to the power of n, and negative 2 plus 2, which equate to 0, and this will be my final answer. Okay, let's look at the second question. Okay, for this question is relatively easier. Okay, I will just need to rearrange 5a to the power of 3 plus 2n multiplied by a to the power of 4n divide by a to the power of 2 minus 3n. And let's look at the power together. Sorry, number together. 3 multiplied 0. Okay, so 3 plus 0 and minus, okay, 2, and multiply with, sorry, plus with 2n plus 4n minus 3n. And my final answer will be a. 3 minus 2 is 1, 2n plus 4n is 6n, 6n plus 3n is 9n. So this will be my answer for the second question. And let's look at the third question. Okay, this third question, it might seem a bit difficult. So how do we solve it, right? Okay, you need to reduce this 10, okay, into 5 multiplied by 2 in order for me to get the same base together to solve this question. So 25, I can write it as 5 squared to the power of m multiplied by 5 multiplied 2 to the power of m plus 1 divide by 2 to the power of m minus 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 plus 3m. Okay, so 5 squared m, I can write it as 5 multiplied by 2m multiplied by, okay, this, okay, the power, you will need to multiply here as long as the 2. So I will get 5 to the power of m plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of m plus 1 divide by, okay, divide by 2 to the power of m minus 1 and also divide by 5 to the power of 2 plus 3m. Okay, so let's look at the base of 5 together. So for the base of 5, okay, it's basically 2m plus m and minus 3m. So I just write it as 2m plus m minus, because of the divide symbol here, minus 3m. And after that, let's look at the number together. Is this here is 0 and here is 1, and 1 divided by 2, which is 1 minus 2. So the answer will be plus 1 minus 2. There goes for the base of 5. And right now, let's look at the base of 2. Okay, multiplied by base of 2. So first term, I have m divided by m, which is m minus m, and 1 divided by negative 1, which is plus 1, minus minus 1. Okay, so I just need to simplify this whole term. 2m plus m, 3m minus 3m, no more m. So plus 1 minus 2, I will get negative 1. Okay, multiply by m minus m, no more m. So 1 plus 1, I will get 2 to the power of 2, which is 1 over 5 multiplied by 4. So your final answer, it will be 4 over 5. That's it for this question.